Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday we got to see some good amount of selling pressure on the chart of gold after the news during the US session. Market made a low of 2585 and now we can see that after some recovery, gold is trying to find some stability around 2600 area. If you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold steady. Softer India demand may away. So overall, the gold chart is steady right now, and we can see the same thing on the chart as well. And today is Friday, my dear friends. Friday can be dangerous because sometimes Friday brings unexpected volatility in the market, especially during the US session. And if we look at the economic calendar, we can see PC data coming up as well. PC data is little dicey because sometimes we get to see good number of volume in the market and sometimes PC data is totally flat. So today how the market is going to react, I'm not sure, but as a trader you need to be extra careful. Okay, and regarding PC data, okay, personally I believe that there may not be some big moves in the market because during the last FOMC statement, um, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell already stated that okay, they are ready for the inflation data to be higher than 2%. So market has already digested the fact that their inflation report will be higher than 2%. So more or less I think that there may not be some big moves, but still it's Friday and it's market is full of surprises. So my dear friends, please be careful. So during the news or after news, if you see the market is taking a trend, for example, market starts falling suddenly, then please follow the trend of the market, forget the levels, because when technicals dominate, nothing works. That's a bitter reality. You need to understand it. And flexibility is important for the traders to survive. So you need to go with the flow when news will be dominating the market. Clear? So what are the trading opportunities right now? My dear friend, the good levels on the chart of gold are little far away. For example, yesterday also we discussed about selling opportunity on 2655. Then we discussed about selling opportunity on 2638. So these two selling opportunities on the chart of gold are still very much valid. They are present or they are valid, okay, or good selling positions in the market because of FIBO 38.2 retracement level plus previous support will be working as resistance, and we are considering 2655 area because of FIBO 50% retracement level resistance, and we can see the 200 moving average also coming down. So in case of a big surprise in the market, if market starts showing some good moves, I think we can get some good selling opportunities around these two levels. 2650, 2655 is a better and stronger level for a sell position, and 2638 is also a good level for a sell position as a day trader. But the problem is that market is slow right now. Okay, so chances of market going to 2638, 2655 is little less. So we need to look for some immediate resistance. So in this case, okay, we have some immediate resistance around 2627, 2622. What? 2627, 2622. This is the immediate resistance on the chart of gold. I don't think so this level will work during the US session because this is not a strong level like 38 or 55, 50. Okay, this is a good level, but okay, if the volume is high, the sellers present around this area will not be able to reverse the market. Okay, so before the US session, if market goes up, market go ऊपर जाता है with low volume. Okay, observe the market around this area. If market shows price rejection from above, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, hit the sell button. Okay, now we can see that I have also drawn another red line here. Okay, so this is a risky buy. What? This is a risky buy. Why risky buy? Because for any breakout, what do we want? Volume. If volume is missing, then breakout and breakdowns can be dangerous. So right now, okay, volume is very low. So During the European session, right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session, so volume is low. During the European session, if you see that there is volume in the market, gold is going up, you can look for a buy above 2604.50. Be careful, not a reliable level. Still, we are discussing it because the reliable levels are far away. Okay, so be careful and follow proper risk management. So 2604.50, how much you can expect? 40 to 50 pips, also good enough. And if market goes down after the US session, then we can look for a sell below 2580 area as well. The black line here. Why the black line? Because see, though we have the swing low around this area, okay, but we have some support around 2680. So if market breaks this particular level, then we can look for a sell. But keep in mind, okay, try to take a sell during the US session only, because US session brings volume. And again, I'm repeating, today is Friday. Okay, do not fry your account. Fridays are dangerous sometimes. Okay, for the last 3-4 months we have seen some unexpected, unwanted volatility in the market. Okay, unreasonable. So as a beginner, new trader, if you find it difficult to trade, if you fail to find any logic during the US session, just stop trading. Okay, just stop trading. Okay, just wait and watch. That's it. Okay, because as a trader, you don't need to trade on each and every session. You don't need to trade every day. Your goal is to make money, not to trade all the time. Don't forget it. Okay, so do not fry your account. And before US session, okay, if market goes up, okay, we can look for a sell around 2622 2627 area because of resistance. But the reliable levels for a sell are far away, and those are 265055 and 2638. And we are looking for opportunities on both the sides of the market. Okay, and during the US session, if market breaks 2580, we can look for a sell below it as well. And if we go to the lower time frame, like 15 minutes, okay, we can see that we have some minor support around these areas. In this case, if you find market taking support around 2587 2589, you can look for a buy before US session. Why only before US session? Because these are minor levels. In case of, okay, when US session will come, it will bring volume, these levels will not work. But during European session, Asian session, if you see market coming down with small candles, then obviously you can expect the market to bounce. See, all the charts have many levels, okay, but you need to understand the role of volume as well. Okay, some are strong levels, some are medium levels, some are weak levels. When volume is low, the weak levels also work. But when volume is high, the weak levels do not work. And the weekly closing is going to be important, and I don't think so market will break 2650 this month or before 26th of December. Okay, I don't think so market will cross 2650. So personally, okay, I think either market will remain sideways or market will be, okay, showing some little downside. Personally, I believe, I don't think so gold will break 2650 before the 26th of December. After 26th of December, okay, things may happen, but before 26, I don't think so market will break it. And considering the present trend of the market, okay, taking a sell at resistance is a better strategy. So that's why, okay, we discuss about 265055, 2638, 2227 area. Okay, and overall the trend of the market is still up, but positional traders, swing traders, okay, if you have any buy position, you can be on the trade. If you're looking for fresh position, still the time is not right. Let the market settle. Okay, let the market show, okay, where the weekly closing is going to happen. And that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, love you.